This slide shows the mesh quality recommendations for finite element analysis and computational fluid dynamics applications, and these guidelines can be changed to achieve more accurate results. Engineering simulations must start with the best possible mesh, because it affects the simulation's accuracy, convergence, and speed. The smaller elements in a finer mesh give results accurately in interested region. Adding more elements to a model adds computational expense, in solution time, memory, and more disk space. With consideration of this, let's start the main activity. In this video we will learn how to mesh a bolt in ANSYS SpaceClaim. We will use this bolt geometry. First step is to clean up this bolt geometry. We will remove the followings to improve the mesh quality. These changes should not be impacted on the structural stiffness. Here, these changes are highlighted with red color. In second step, we will perform meshing activity in ANSYS SpaceClaim. We need to define some mesh quality criteria for the same. We will try to achieve an element quality in a range of 0.8 to 1. We must keep hexahedral elements in this geometry mesh. Let's open ANSYS SpaceClaim. Please follow these steps to clean up this bolt geometry. Select single face and select depression feature to remove this hole. Press delete button. Select this face and press delete button. Do the same for other faces. It seems that geometry is cleaned up. Now we will start meshing activity by clicking on Mesh Ribbon. If Mesh Ribbon is not there, please follow these steps. Please tick the mesh here. Click on Options tool to modify the mesh display settings. Click here. Click on Quality to check mesh quality parameters. Select Physics as structural. Add bolt body for block creation. Select element shape and click OK. You can see the mesh generation. 2 swept blocks are created. Let's check the mesh quality. See the element colors with respect to provided quality contour. You can provide the range for each quality parameters to see the elements in the selected range. This is very helpful tool to take decision in terms of mesh modification or fixation. Now, we will change this swept block to mapped block by selecting a face. Four mapped blocks are created. You can see each block by changing block visibility. See here, the minimum and maximum quality range. Now we will do some mesh parameters adjustments to this swept block. Here we will add some more divisions in axis of the bolt to improve aspect ratio. Select Size tool and click on Edge to increase or decrease the number of divisions. You see that quality is improved by increasing number of divisions. Do the same for upper split block. Do some refinements as per your quality criteria. Please check other mesh metrics. Mesh quality is good. This is how you can achieve a good quality mesh for any size of the bolt. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel to get more updates. Please provide your comment to know valuable suggestions to improve this channel.